People, and this is another video from Tech Knowledge. Right, what we've got here is a JBL On Tour Micro. I mean, this is a portable speaker that you can connect to any device with a headphone jack. So this is an unboxing and a review. Right, let's just go ahead and unbox it. Take the wrapper off. Comes in a nice little box like this, with a thick plastic layer on the actual cardboard box. Slide that out. Bit of information. It connects with any device with a headphone jack. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides 6 hours of playback. Mini USB lets you recharge from any laptop, desktop or USB port. The line-out jack lets you connect to multiple JBL On Tour Micro speakers for extra sound. And there's also a carrying case included. I've been excited about reviewing this product because it looks very nice. It also comes in white. This is the black version. Go ahead and unbox it. Let's see. Get this off. Give me a sec. Get scissors. Okay, finally got the box off here. There it is. Okay, there it is. This is it, how it comes straight out the box. Take this off. Wow, it actually feels like good quality. Nice little speaker there as well. JBL logo in orange. It's got a volume control there. It's also got the micro USB port there and an on and off switch. And there's a 3.5mm headphone jack. And there is the 3.5mm headphone jack input, the output, sorry. So let's just get this out. Actually, I'll show you what's in the box first. In the box, it looks like there's nothing there, but we have a little area here. Oh, you get a nice little extra separate little box for accessories. Let's just have a look what's in there. Right. Bit of information. Basically what it can go into, how to use it, and it connects to your laptop. Recharging your laptop, you can connect it to your laptop. So yeah, here's the carrying case. Oh, this is nice, very soft. Nice soft material, velvety. As you can see, that fits in there nice. It's actually really nice for carrying it around. Yep. And this is the charging cable. It's also got a headphone jack, so you can clip it in while it's charging as well. Normal USB there, micro USB there, and a headphone jack, 3.5mm. Okay, let's get the product. Okay, right, so let's check this out. It's also got a nice rubber grip around here that keeps the wire in. There's the wire. Unfortunately, that's the whole length of the wire. Just turn it on. See, the blue light shows that it's on. Right, let me just grab a sample track. Put that. Put it louder. Wow. Wow. You hear that? Don't know if you can see, but the speaker moving. Wow. There's the volume control. Turn it lower. The loudest it goes. Whew. switch it off straight away, yeah. Okay, so that's it from Tech Knowledge. Just want to say a big thank you to JBL and Bike Connections for sending me out this product for review. And until next time guys, thanks a lot for watching. Comment and subscribe. Bye.